because I love your videos. I'm a big fan of watching you on your adventures over wherever wherever you might be, with drones and skateboards and everything. So how did that come about, and how do you use that, or do you use that as a way of pitching your own
So
personal brand?
it was something that came up at the personal branding day, and someone said, how did you elevate your personal brand, or what was the starting point? And honestly, the starting point, you mentioned all the sales change stuff, you mentioned the Instagram stuff, but the real biggest growth that I got was when I started posting my vlogs. And I was vlogging the most mundane stuff. Like I went to a suit fitting for a business event, and then they didn't have the suit in stock, and I didn't have the trousers, and I was making a drama out of it. I was trying to get people to understand that, listen, I'm 24 hours before an event and I haven't got any trousers, and I'm rushing around trying to find trousers. So I went to Moss Bros and got some. It was kind of me trying to practice storytelling, and I was having people coming up to me at that business event saying, "Oh, you managed to get your trousers," because they'd seen the video that I'd put out. And that kind of then really resonated with me, that people were coming up to me and realizing that my content meant something to them. And then I was getting calls from my team in France saying that people had come up to them at an exhibition in France saying, "Oh, is Matt King on this stand? Because we want to meet him." And then I had people calling me from America saying, "Oh, I've seen you riding your electric skateboard," like, because I posted a video online about me riding an electric skateboard to work. All of these things all kind of meshed together, and every time I was meeting a client, they were asking me about something that happened in a video, or they were asking, "Oh, have you got your electric skateboard with you?" I had that 2 or 3 times when I was in America. So I think video is the most powerful medium, because you recognized all of my design stuff that I was doing on Instagram, but no one can relate more unless than a video, because a video really, I was trying to show it from my eyes, and people really bought into that.